Hey guys, welcome back. Oh my god. Yeah. Okay, welcome back. Welcome to my channel. I was gonna do one of two videos today and I did an Instagram poll in my story and my makeup routine didn't win, but I didn't have time to go to the store and get some drugstore products. So I'm just gonna do my makeup routine today. I'm not doing anything today. I was supposed to go out with my boyfriend, but he got caught up with work. So I figured, let me just get cute and still go out and do something at least, you know. Also, I usually do my makeup in like on my vanity in my room, but I did my makeup in my bathroom in here the other day and it came out so good. I think it's just because the lighting in here, I just don't know why I never thought to do my makeup in here. And my lease literally ends in like 2 weeks, which is so tragic because I never knew how good my makeup would come out in here. But like, I'm so happy. I can't wait to get out of this little shoebox that is way too overpriced. Like LA, I can't do this. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is push all my grandpa hairs to the back so it doesn't get in the way when I'm doing my makeup. So like this. Oh my gosh, this is like a Vogue makeup tutorial. This is literally the Vogue. When are you gonna hi? I'm gonna moisturize. I use the Versed Rich Soak and then I let that sit on my face for like 5 minutes before I start blending, because when I do just like get straight to it, it gets kind of like weird and cakey because it's not settled in yet. Okay, so my moisturizer has settled just enough. Also, guys, I've been breaking out so bad. Like, it's literally like those underground pimples and they are so bad. Like, if anyone know what causes this, like, please help me because I'm struggling. Like, look at that, look at that, look at that. I like can't catch a break. Like, whenever I get rid of one, the next one pops up, but whatever. Anyways, so the first thing I'm gonna do is go in with the Dior Forever concealer. I actually stole this from my mom, but I was doing her a favor anyways because it was too light for her, so we both win. And I don't like to do foundation, so I do like a whole face of concealer essentially. I just feel like foundation has always looked so cakey on me, and like maybe I just don't do it right, but I don't know. I've never been a fan for like years. I think my cat stole my beauty blender. I'm gonna go in with a darker concealer and I'm gonna go around the edges of my forehead and kind of around my chin. My cat definitely stole my beauty blender, so I'm just gonna use my other one. I'm just gonna start blending, and then I like to blend the darker first so that the lighter one just has something to like seamlessly go into. A lot of you guys have been asking me for my makeup routine recently, and it took me a while to get back, like get a new one, like establish a routine. So I think I'm pretty solid now. And when I blend my concealer under my eye, I like to like put it up. Does that make sense? Put it up, like blend it upwards. When I get to like my nose and eye crease, it doesn't really blend all the way because my beauty blender is at, oh my god, is at a point. So I'll show you what I do in a second, because I don't want concealer on my eyelids. I always leave my eyelids blank. Remember when I was a beauty guru, guys? I miss that, like genuinely. I'm going back to my roots. I'm gonna get a small fluffy brush and blend this concealer right here so it doesn't look like that. I get a little tiny fluffy brush and I put only, I'm not baking it, I'm just setting while I do the rest of my makeup so that my under eyes don't crease. So like not fully. I'm not putting it everywhere, just like right under where my crease line is. Next, I'm gonna take, I found this like in the depths of my vanity and I was gonna throw it away and I was like, let me try it. But it's the Nude Sticks Nudies. I don't even know where this is from. Nude Sticks, I'm assuming. But it comes with this little brush on the end and I never used it because I was like, oh, that looks like trash. But it's actually so good and I've never gotten perfect contour until I started using this. So I'm going to put it on my cheekbone, on my forehead.
Sorry, I'm having trouble connecting to the internet. It looks like...
Who told you you could speak, woman? But this is literally so good. Just watch the magic. Hold on. Like, it literally blends so seamlessly. This is not sponsored, I swear. Like, on everything. I'm just literally fangirling over this. Oh, like, are you kidding? Are you serious? You're too cut. Okay. No, hold on. This is where the real... Okay, look. And then I kind of swipe it and then, like, dab it in. And look at that. Look at that. Are you serious? And then I dab it in with another beauty blender. I use this one like specifically for darker shades and blush cream and stuff like that. I don't know, but experiment with your contour. I feel like not the standard contour works for everyone's face shape. So just when you're bored one day, just like try different shapes of contour and see what works best for your face shape. I'm gonna go back in with that fluffy brush. And the loose powder I'm using for setting, by the way, is vanilla from ABH. And then I'm gonna get a little extra on the brush and shape that like this. So I'm gonna kind of set all over my face, minus where I put the contour, because I'm just gonna set that with bronzer. So next I'm gonna grab the Hoola bronzer and a little like stiff but fluffy at the same time brush. Suck my cheeks in. And this is pretty much like the makeup that I do every day. If I don't have time, I won't like do the cream contour. I won't really do all that. I'll just do concealer the same way I did it, and then bronzer and blush, and we're good. I'm gonna get more loose powder and clean up. Okay, and I'm gonna let that sit for a little bit. I'm obviously gonna blend that out. Now I'm gonna do my eyebrows. So actually all I do is just take a clear brow gel and just really like tame them and shape them the way I like. I don't really do much to my eyebrows, honestly. Left eyebrow pisses me off so much. Like, does anyone just have an eyebrow that like just fucks up their whole face? Because this one does. Like, this one is perfect, flawless, beautiful, Vogue, all of the above, you know? But oh my god, this one like genuinely enrages me. Like, I literally turn into Hulk when I'm trying to do this eyebrow. That's really all I do to my eyebrows. I'm aware they're not the same. Let it be. I can't. I'm gonna blend in this big, get some loose powder on my finger and just tap in where I have the biggest, most noticeable pimples, and that's usually always my forehead. And I just let that sit for a little bit. I take a big fluffy brush and I go into some blush, and I'm using, this is my favorite palette ever, the MAC, oh god, Haute Couture. Yeah, and it has a bunch of highlights in there, and there's a pink one, and I just use that as blush because it's so good. It gives me like a little sparkle, but it's also blush. You know, look, just look. I used to hate blush when I first started getting into makeup. Like, I thought it was so ugly, and now I will literally overuse it so much. It's my favorite part of makeup. But when I put it on, I like to smile so I can kind of like, look. Sometimes I do get too blush happy though, and it just kind of ruins the whole thing. So I feel like that's where this is going right now, but I just love a lot of blush. Now I'm going to take this tiny highlighting brush and I'm going to go into my highlighter. And I just use that same MAC palette on my nose, bridge of my nose, inner corner, upper lip. And then I take a fluffy brush. It's still pretty small, but I go into my highlighter, and that's how I do my cheeks. Okay, now time for the eyes. I'm going to use this YSL mascara that they sent me. I was so gassed, y'all. I was like, YSL? Okay. But I just like to like brush them off with a brush so it goes on smoother. And I just do like one layer because I'm going to do lashes. Usually if I don't have time, I'll literally just do mascara, but lashes make me feel so pretty and just like an it girl. So I usually try to do lashes if I have time. I kind of wanted to do an eyeshadow look today, but I just know if it doesn't go how I want it, I'm going to get pissed off and end the video. Okay, so I'm going to use the lashes from Lily Lashes. They're called Miami Flare. They're already out of the box, so I can't show you, but I swear that's what they're called. I don't gatekeep. I think I want to straighten my hair today. Okay, so the lashes are on. These are the ones for today. They're a little out there, but I love that. I love those lashes. Okay, now I'm going to go back in with my mascara and do my bottom lashes. I like to try to make my bottom lashes look as long as possible, because with the top long lashes, it just makes me look like a doll. I've actually decided I want a little more blush, so I'm going to add some more. I love doing my makeup, like getting ready, and like, I just love the process of getting ready, but like going out, like I will gladly sit at home with a full face beat. Like, I don't know what it is, y'all. Like, I'm so young, and I just like, I've never had it in me. Like, I feel like an old woman. Like, I feel like I've already gone, like, through my club partying phase, and I literally haven't. Like, I'm over it before I can even get into it. But I want to be into it so bad. Like, I want to be like, yes, like, let's go out when my friends invite me. But it's gotten to the point where, like, I say no so much to, like, invites that people just, like, don't invite me anymore. And I'm like, I kind of set myself up. Like, I kind of did that to myself. Okay, so now I'm going to do some setting spray. And then I'm going to take a black crayon and go in my waterline. And sometimes I'll do winged eyeliner, but I'm just not feeling it today. I'm going to line my lips. This is the... oh, shit. Guys, I don't speak Spanish. Sorry. Please don't make fun of me. Entre a mi mundo. Entre a mi mundo. From the Max X Selena collab. So, don't make fun of me, please. I'm trying. I take this lip gloss from the Kylie collection. Oh, You Fancy. It has like little glitter sparkles in it. I put that on top. I'm literally almost out. I'm like scraping the sides, but it's so good. I'm gonna hold on to this until I get like the last drop. And we're pretty much done. I'm gonna do my hair and I'll be back. Okay, so literally 2 hours later, I just finished straightening my hair. This is the final look, guys. I think I kind of ate. I look good. I'm not even gonna lie. Like, I look good as fuck right now. Like, someone please hype me up. Yeah. Come on. Round of applause, please. Yeah. So, I don't really know what I'm gonna go do, but I might take myself on a date, or my boyfriend might come over. I don't know. We'll see. So I ended up going to Boba Time and then Chipotle, and tell me why. I literally went to Chipotle like 15 minutes before closing. I know, my fault. I'm the bad guy. I literally know. They had like the last like scraps of food left, and I got food poisoning. And I was literally the next day, right after I filmed this video, I literally threw up, like puked my insides out like 6 times. It was like stomach acid, and I was like, ah! You know when you're throwing up and you're like, ah! So I was not doing well. But I'm good now. It's been a few days. I don't think I've ever had food poisoning until then. Chipotle, run me my money, please. So that is all for today, guys. If you like this video, let me know, and I can do more makeup videos because I actually love that. Like, I haven't done a makeup video like that in so long, and it was really fun. And I usually just watch like true crime documentaries while I do my makeup, but because I just like get annoyed and sick of the sound of my own voice. Like, I will see you guys next week. What am I doing? That was corny. Okay, bye. Love you.